welcome everyone on today's webinar session. Today's topic is unlocking efficiency, discover Collabai's power in action. So let's dive into our today's session. Why actually in this topic and why we're talking about Collabai? Let's just go to some basics first. What is efficiency? If I talking about efficiency, efficiency is the ability to perform a task successfully by avoiding waste of time, energy, resources, and in simply achieving a desired outcome with minimal input. And with my 12 years of experience in design, I'll try to help you out how we can actually minimize the efficient time, energy to get our desired result with Collabai. And with our actually 20 years of experience in this industry, we have created this platform. So what is Collabai? Collabai is an open source platform, a self-hosted operation AI platform targeted actually small and medium-sized businesses, but it can be customized. It's uh, for everyone. And if you want to know more about Collabai, you can go to our website. If I just show you about our website, let's dive into a bit first. What is Collabai and how we are actually helping everyone with this platform? So Collabai platform is actually a platform where most all of the language agents, so AI assistants are possible in today's market. We have integrated all of them, customized them, and made them affordable for everyone. It can be for mortgage banks, financial institute, healthcare providers, accounts, legal platform, wherever you are, actually we'll be able to help you out with our service. And if I go to our next session, so how we actually will be able to help you out with Collabai. In today's industry market, there's a big question is about security, because whenever you are giving any data in any website, ChatGPT, Facebook, anywhere, those are not safe. Those data are actually published publicly and they are using it. Uh, so if you are working with clients, you definitely want to control your own data. You don't want them to be public, right? So in our platform, all the data you are used with our platform, those are safe, controlled with firewall, and customizable for use of your personal need. You can smartly use our best platform models with Collabai, uh, you know, with OpenAI, Gemini, Cloud, DeepSeek, Flux, Crow AI, N8, Copilot, whatever agents are you needed, those can be customized based on your need with seamless integration with our today's modern, integration services. And how we will actually help you out with the efficiency, will save your speed and efficiency, will actually we can give you endless creativity. Even if you are not a coder, you can actually perform perfect result with our no code accessibility service with Collabai. You can personalize your assistant, personalize your data, you can reduce your revisions, and our service actually is super cost efficient. So let's dive into actually some of the features what actually Collabai giving. How actually it's giving you the efficiency. Custom AI agents, scalability, how we are giving you the scalability. It's actually, you can say right now, if you are creating an agent with ChatGPT version 4 or 5, but in future, if you are, if market demands 6 or 7, if it's available, you can actually expand those with our assistants. You can do the continuous improvements based on your feedbacks. Those are available on the market. Those are customers giving. You have full data security. You can get customized service. You can have enhanced productivity, seamless integration, improve customer service, personal agents. You can have our actually project management tool, in-house collaboration, and creative customer support. And to have all of these services with our Collabai, you can dive into our web platform, uh, either iOS App Store platform or mobile app service, Android service. So for your better accessibility, we have all of the platforms ready. You can dive into our services. So how actually will help you out? Let's dive into few of the solution flow, how we will have the desired efficiency we are needed. Let's think of your e-commerce service provider. So what actually you need? You need even inventory management, you need customer support, you need order fulfillment agent. You will get the orders, you have to deliver the order to your customer. But with us, actually, all of these are automated. So you can save your time, effort, and money. Our inventory management tool will manage your inventory. Our customer support agent will give you the full customer service. Also, order fulfillment agent with full automation. If you're giving an IT service, most problematic issue is how you'll onboard your agent, as clients. So from client onboarding to customer support management, all of these we have automated. We have personalized agents, so you can have this service with lowest maintenance. If you are a SaaS company, mostly you will be actually dependent on customer feedback. So we have the assistant that actually analyzes all the customer feedbacks and give you proper customized data that actually you need to work on right now. Also, with our various other agents, like if you want to build a website, we have lovable agents. From there you can add a proper pre-templated prompt. With that prompt, you can build your website with predetermined data. Okay, I will actually jump into more into those, how actually you will get the solutions. So let's first dive into some of the problems and solutions we can provide with Collabai. Let's jump into marketing agency. Let's consider if you are a marketing agency. So the problems you are facing, I'll not just read over there. I'll jump into some of the specific important sections. You can just read it out yourself. So the problem a marketing agency faces is content creation, market research, customer engagement, social media management, ad copywriting, and SEO optimization. So with us, actually, we have all the things ready, templated. All the agents are ready. You have to just onboard with our Collabai. You will give you a proper flow with our agents. You can directly start marketing with our agents. If you're a developer, definitely you have faced coding issues, because lots of OpenAI platform, if you go to actually get the codes, those are bugs. You will face a lot of bugs. Those are in practical life, those are not usable. You will face complicated issues if you use those code directly, because those are not customized and optimized. But with our overall experience, what we have done, we have with our agents, actually we have instructed all the possible bugs what can be occurred. We actually asked our agent to solve at the first, when they will actually give the report to you on the prompt. So with that proper coding, actually you can have the code assistant, you and have project management to testing, prototyping. All of these are actually already service with us. If you are a non profit agency, you have you face limited funding resources, uh, compliance with actually laws, because non-profit industries has to face a lot of legal issues. Those has to you have to know before you actually start a non-profit organization. You face donors relationship issue also, admin management issues. All of these are actually we have custom solution. You can dive into with the solution with super efficient uh, timing and services. If you e-commerce, you will also get SEO, content and personalized service management with us. If same for pharma, we have a lot of pharmaceutical industries. We have worked with a lot of pharmaceutical industries, including all the FDA regulations. So the agents we are creating that actually ensure that we are compliant with FDA regulation. Also, the press and other regulations, those need to be focused on. So when you are creating a content or any data with our agent, actually those are safe for you to publish in the market. This also for same for tutoring. So with the vast knowledge and experience with our agents, we have worked with a lot of clients. Here are a few of the clients that we have worked with, and those are actually very happy with us. So let's actually dive into some of our practical agents and practical library, how actually we are helping with the agents. So I have already showed you the AI Apple library, where actually you can have the app downloaded with Android and iOS, and beside that you can jump with our Collabai assist web app. With web app actually we have multiple services. I'll just go one by one. So let's dive into our customer agents and assistants. So I'll just show you some of the agents of us. So this is actually a store of Collabai. If you scroll down, you will see a lot of agents and assistants we have created for customers market for their efficient result. You can actually test these agents out with your free time. I'll not go deep into them, but I'll just show you the overview how you can actually use that agents. So if you go to the agents, you will see these agents you can directly run from the agents, and related agents are also ready over here. Uh, you can go one by one. Also you can just uh, ask for demo. You can also have the demo ready. And if you see, we have a lot of agents ready for each market based on your need. You can have agency agents, business development agents, e-commerce agents. If you just click over there, you will have all the agents ready for you. You can just filter them out based on your need. If you're healthcare industry, human resource, whatever you are working with, you can just check them out one by one. What are the agents actually you need, and you can just click on the agents and see the details of the agent. And if you want to run the agent, you can run and test the agent from your side, and if that doesn't work for you, you can request a demo from us, and I'll actually run few of the agents from my end. Okay. And for more actually to know more about our agents and how we are providing the services, you can go to our community from our website. On the bottom, actually, you will find join community, and from that join community you can join our community, and over there you can find all the latest reports of the AI market. Those we have actually shared for you. You can learn from there. Also you can go to learning, and we have also shared learning data for you, like prompt engineering, Collabai onboarding, AI agent creation, how you can create an agent. Those things we have already made it public for you, so you can actually be efficient on your own and create your own agent with us. So let's dive into some of the AI agents, how actually it can help you, and let me try a few of them. So we have two kind of agents. with us. One is we call agents, one we call actually projects. So this is a welcome feature. How actually you can work efficiently. There are some tips with us, and some of the agents actually mostly we use, those are recommended. So based on actually your service you will be purchasing or you will be taking, these experience will vary. But for me, I'll just show you how actually it works. So there are two kind of agents. One is explore agents. From there you can have the agents, those are created with us, those are ready agents. You can check, just let it run for a bit. Okay, so here all of the agents, you can filter them by your preferences. If you are searching for agent that is for management, you can filter them out. If you want to use agent that is you need for HR admin, that can be filtered out. And from there you can chat with that agent and work with you can just have your desired result from there. And there is one more sort of agents, not actually we call a project. With that project agents, what you can do actually, you can create an assistant that actually based on your desired persona. um, like consider this with specific memory. If you work with an agent, you will come to know whenever you are chatting with the agent, whenever you are giving the recent feedback, it actually gives you the data, gives you the result with your previous chatting experience. But if you are asking something specific for any other specific topic, actually it it doesn't actually, it can't give you the proper data that is you are asking for, because it blends with the previous data you have talked with. But with project, what you can do, you can specifically create any specific persona. With that persona you can have the memory ready. Whatever you are talking with this agent, it memorizes everything about that topic and can give you the proper feedback based on that. And to create that persona, you can choose a predetermined persona from here. Also you can create a specific persona, and also you can give a specific instruction what you want that specific uh, agent to do. So let's dive into some of our agents, how actually can help. Let's go with some explore agents. I'm not sure if our internet is a bit slow today. Okay, so let's go for my predetermined some of the agents that I use regularly. Uh, some of are actually loaded. Let's go from there. So it's called actually lovable prompt agents. How it works from here, consider you are talking with a client about a specific project and you want to build a website from the discussion with the client. So what you can do, you can just click analyze the following meeting notes and give you the proper prompt for the website that you can do. Also what you can do, you can ask for customized prompt for the website you want to create. Then you can create the website. So let's try to create one website. Let's uh, give it a simple prompt. Let me give it, okay, let's give redesign this website. So if you see from our agents feedback, what we are getting, uh, a normal feedback that any other AI model gives, but there is some specific difference between the other feedback and our feedback. Why is that? In the background, actually, we have asked it to actually give the proper control with actually the latest rules and regulations that should be followed while creating a website, those we have implemented. So while it's give the uh, feedback, it's always mentions the rules and regulation it has to follow, and from the data actually we can create the website from here. So let's create this website from here. Let's actually copy the data. Somehow actually it faced some issues. No, I'm not sure why. what's the issue? Let's try one more time, actually.
Mehdi bhai, can you please reload?
Ah, yes. Hmm. Okay. Now actually it's working. Probably there was some internet issues was there. Yes. Okay, so it may take some of the time. So meanwhile, actually, I can show you some other agents, actually, how it helps with us with your efficiency. Let's go YouTube SEO generator. This is one of the agents. Actually, you can create your YouTube title, description, tagline, hashtag, whatever you actually want to do with SEO, you can do it from here. So what you actually just need to do, you can just describe whatever you want to share with it, or you want to generate, or you can just share directly uh, any title with it you want to generate the data with. Let's consider our today's webinar title and ask it to generate proper SEO plan with us. You just need to share the title, and if you want to explain, you can explain. Even without explanation, you can create the proper data with us. So if you see, uh, we have just given it just a title, what to do. It already knows what to do. So from there, it's give you a proper description, plan, call to action, next step, what need to be done, the performance you have to do. Those already the agent will give you. So the efficiency of your work can be increased to up to 80%. Let's consider, just see how actually it's giving you the hashtags and tags. So you see, it gives you the, actually it's not completed yet. Okay, we are facing some network issues. Okay, so actually, let me actually show you some of the store history with what we have worked with. From there, actually, you will be able to see, how actually it works. Due to some network issues, we are facing some Collabai issues. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next actually agent. Actually, we are facing some internet issues with our Collabai, but I can show you what actually it can does to help you out without the network issues. Actually, you'll be able to get the full experience with these agents. So if you just uh, search for anything, like for today's webinar session, you want to create an video, and if you just type our today's topic and what actually you need, based on that, actually you will give you the proper script ready for your video. Also same for our general assistant, like this is a assistant for any company. If you want to centralize your information with an agent, what you can do, you can give all the data from your end to the agents, and our agent engineers will optimize those data and create a custom assistant for you. So whenever someone is reaching to you, they can actually come over here and they can ask the you know information they want to know. So your HR work and other work can be simplified a lot. You don't need to, everyone don't need to go to the HR, everyone don't need to go to specific other policies. They can go to the agents, they can ask, and they can get the answer. So let's see if our Collabai agent, the data we have provided, those are working properly. So if you see, our Collabai already have created with our Collabai prompt, we have given the prompt to Lovable, and from there it actually have created the proper uh, website for you with the redesign and the link and everything it has created. Those are workable link. Let me see. So see, it has given you the services and everything you need, and those are workable with codes, proper codes, and you can actually from there you can directly publish this website to your server. And why it's different from directly giving the prompt? Actually, it's optimized, and actually it can give you the full experience that actually you need with responsive design, responsive information, and with also WCAG guideline that need to be followed. Those it has already directly, if you see, followed that. The background instruction need to be given. You don't have to worry a lot when you are a beginner while you are creating a website. You can just rely on the prompt that our agent is giving. You can directly create the website with this. So this is how actually we can increase the efficiency of your work with our agents and services. Our team actually gives you the proper service 24/7. We have multiple locations, um, New York, Bangladesh, and in India. And from there, we give you the proper service. Whenever you need any assistance, you can reach out to us, and we can give you a specific demo with your service, desired service, and actually you can enjoy the efficiency with our Collabai. So this how actually our Collabai can help you out in real time.